welcome to DPS Education. So in the last video we have learned how to create tables in the database. So in this video we are going to learn some of the commands where we how to alter the table. So alter in the sense, so here we have already created users table in the e-commerce. So this alter is used to change the name or change the place of the table. So for example, so here we have serial number, first name, last name, email and phone number. So these columns we have already created. So what this alter command will do is, for example, we want to add an extra column. So here already we have 5 columns. Suppose we want to add extra columns, like suppose we want to add address column. So we can add to this table by using alter command. Or suppose we want to delete some of the columns. For example, here we want to delete phone number column. We don't want phone number column. So this also we can do by using alter command, and we have to change the name of the column. For example, here email. So this email I want to change it as email address. So email name I want to change it as email address. That also we can do by using alter command. And so these are some of the operations we can do by using alter command. So let's see how to do those things. So we'll go to SQL commands. So we have basically 4 types of commands to alter the table. So those 4 types of commands are, so first one is add command, second one is drop command, third one is change command, and the third one is change command, and the fourth one is modify command. Okay, so these are the 4 commands we'll use to alter the table. So in this video we are going to see add and drop. So in the next video we'll see what is change and modify. Okay, so now we'll see the structure of the table. So here we'll click on browse and we'll see the table now. So here we have serial number, first name, last name, email, phone number. Okay, so far we have only 5 columns. Now suppose we want to add a new column called address. So for that the SQL command is, so here we'll go to SQL window, and so the SQL command for that one is alter table. Here we want to write the table name. So before writing the table name, we want to know in which database that table is existing. For that, first we want to write the database name, that is e-commerce dot users. Okay, now users. Now we will use add command here, that is add. Okay, add. Now what we want to do, we want to add a new column. What is the column name? Column name is address, and now here we want to give the data type. So what is the data type we can do? So address contains numbers, because we'll write a door number or street numbers and all. So we'll write varchar data type, and inside that we'll give the length of the data type. Here we'll give the 20. So this is the SQL command to add a new column to the existing table, that is alter table. So alter table is common because we are going to alter the table. Alter table, database name, table name, add. So here I have already said in this video we are going to use 2 commands, that is add and drop. So here we are adding add command, address, name of the column, data type and length of the data. Okay, now we'll click on go, and here you can see the alter address table as address column as successfully insert to the table. So here you can see now serial number, first name, last name, email, phone number and address. So we have 6 columns. Now the second command is drop command. So drop command is used to remove the existing column from the table. So for example, here we have 6 columns. Suppose we want to remove one particular column. So let's see, suppose we want to remove the phone number column. So that we can remove by using alter table command. For that, here we are going to use drop command. Okay, so we'll go to SQL window, and now we'll type alter table, now database name dot table name users, and now here we are going to use drop command, drop, and now we want to give the name of the column, that is phone number. Okay, alter table e-commerce dot users, this is a database name, this is table name, drop. So in the last command we have used add command is used to add the column, drop command is used to delete the particular column. Okay, phone number, and now we'll going to give go here, and here you can see we'll browse, and now here you can see the phone number column has been successfully deleted. Now we have only serial number, first name, last name, email, and address. So far in this video we have learnt how to alter the table by using two commands. So one is add command and is drop command. So by using add command we learnt how to add a new column, and by using drop command how to delete the column. So in the next video we are going to learn another two commands, that is change command and modify command. Thank you.